Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I'm making this video to show a few breathing exercises which are extremely helpful in increasing our lung capacity, and it also enables us or our body to have a proper immunity against the COVID-19 situation that we all are in. I'm going to show three very basic simple breathing exercises that you can do at any time of the day, and these are extremely simple. I'm showing the base version of most of the breathing exercises which can be done by almost everyone, and there is nil limitations for these practices. Let's start. The first one is called belly breathing. So we'll start with placing our palms on the knees, and I'm taking the chin mudra here. So index finger and your thumb, they both are joined, and place both the palms on the knees. Sit in any comfortable posture. The main focus is keeping the spine erect. So keep the spine erect, but shoulder should be relaxed, face relaxed, neck relaxed. These are the three main points for all the asanas that I'm going to be showing. Sit in the comfortable posture. Neck, shoulder, face relaxed. You can keep your eyes open. Now gently take one deep inhale and exhale normally. One more time, inhale, exhale from both the nose. Now place your left palm on your belly, right palm facing the ceiling. Now as you inhale, observe the belly expand. As you exhale, observe the contraction of the belly. Again, inhale, exhale, contract. Inhale, wash the abdomen balloon up, and as you exhale, feel the stomach contract. Last two times, inhale, expand the belly, exhale, contract. Last time, inhale, exhale, release. This breathing actually helps us in aligning our breathing postures to the correct breathing flow. So as we inhale, the belly is supposed to go out and inflate, and as we exhale, the belly is supposed to contract. And that is what we have done in the first belly breathing. The second breathing that we are going to do is the base version of Mukha Dhoti. Mukha Dhoti is a very powerful kriya, but what we are doing here is the base version, which can be done by anyone. The seated version, so you can keep your hands on thighs, or you can keep it in the chin mudra. Again, keep the shoulders, face and neck relaxed. Inhale. Again, we feel the belly inflating. While we exhale, we are going to exhale from the mouth. So what I'm showing is not the forceful version, but the base version. So we are going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, release. The key point to note for Mukha Dhoti is, as you inhale, inflate the stomach. As soon as your inhalation is over, don't hold the breath, immediately start exhaling. So inhale, inflate, and exhale immediately. The third one, and the most important one, is Anulom Vilom Pranayam, or also called as the Nari Shuddhi breathing. For this, we need to form the Nasika Mudra, which is taking your index and your middle finger, press it down at the base of the thumb. Okay, so this is your Nasika Mudra. Now your left palm, again in chin mudra, place it over the knee, keeping the spine tall and erect, the shoulders relaxed, right? Don't want to give any stress on the shoulder, neck or the face. Keep everything very gentle, relaxed. You can do this practice anywhere you want, on mat, on the bed, or whatever you feel comfortable, even while sitting on a chair. So we take our right hand in the Nasika Mudra. What we are going to do here is block one nose with the thumb, and it always starts with your right nose. Okay, so we'll block the right nose with our thumb, and we'll breathe from the left nostril. And as per your capacity, wherever your inhalation stops, then we will block the left nostril and exhale from the right. That is what primarily we are going to do. But the key point over here is, when you're blocking either of your nostrils, don't put pressure, because a lot of us, while we're practicing, we tend to put a lot of pressure on the nose, which can again have a bad impact. So all you need to do is, in your Nasika Mudra, just gently place your thumb on the nostril and the breathing is going to stop. Okay, let's do the practice then. First, inhale, exhale with both the nostrils. Now, place the thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Block the left. Release the thumb and exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from right. Block. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Block. Release from the right. Inhale from right. Block. Release from the left. Release. So every time we start from the left nostril, release from the right, then we inhale from the right and release from the left. That forms one cycle of Anulom Vilom. You can do this practice at least 2 to 3 cycles, and we can do this practice over multiple times during the day, and you will immediately see that you're able to breathe better. It helps in controlling stress levels and anxiety while opening or clearing our breath. And this is very useful during these times when we all are facing a lot of anxiety issues, a lot of stress related to all the COVID news that we are hearing, we are seeing among us. So do practice this and let me